Hello, everyone. My name is Nathan Kodis, and this will be my demonstration for SAS Viya 8. And this covers sections 4.1 through 4.35. And so that's why I went ahead and got page 4.1 here. But we can go ahead and scroll down to some of the other things. So the business scenario will be the customers, visual analytics methodology will be reporting, and these are just some extra things. And let's see here, where's the actual, it looks like this is what we'll be learning about, will be the activity here. So this is a multiple choice question for it. And so I already went ahead and got Satisfy pulled up here on the left. And so to begin with, I already did this. Click all reports. Um, let's see here. We need to go back because I'm in the wrong place. New, close. That's what we want to do. Close this one. Here we go. This is what I was trying to get to. So all reports. Then we want to go to. Oh, go back real quick. So courses. And then we want to go to its having a little bit of trouble here opening it. Courses, and then I believe it's 185. There we go, basics. We want demos. And we want demo 4.1. Alright, now that we got it pulled up here, we need to change the settings. So we can go to settings, and titles. Let's see, where are these settings at in here? Oh, we need to edit the report first. I believe this is where the I'm not, let's see here. I'm trying to find where the settings will be. Having a little bit of trouble finding them. See settings here. Username. I don't think this is the right settings button. Well, we can go ahead and move on. I will go back to that later and see if I can find it. So we want to click data. We'll start with this step here. We want to click this and then show or hide. and then click remove all. There we go. Oh, now we need to go add the ones back. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here so it doesn't get too long, but I appreciate you guys watching my demonstration, and I'm gonna finish this up here, and so I can get the full process of 4.1 through 4.35. So thank you.